Hello everybody, my name is Jodie Jordan. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator. You can find me on social media as the Blue-Eyed Crafter. Today I'm going to create this really cute card using the new bundle Sending Smiles. I'm creating the card for a couple different card swaps that I'm involved in. If you're not a card maker or you're not involved with Stampin' Up, maybe you're not familiar with what a card swap is, but like I said, I'm involved in two different ones. The first one is I'm going to make this card 13 times and send it to a card swap coordinator, and she will return 13 different cards to me from other people that made them. So I'll get... I can't remember exactly when those are supposed to come. I've already mailed those off. And then the second one is a one-on-one. So I'm about halfway done with that. I am going to mail this card to 19 different people, and I will get 19 different cards back from different individuals, other card makers that are on my team. I'm super excited. This is my first time I've ever participated in something like this. Online anyway. Now whenever we go to like Utah or somewhere like that, or an in-person event or something, I will do it then when we go to a convention. But other than that, I've never participated to where I mail them out. So it's kind of fun. It's just a fun way to get other card ideas and give you inspiration and maybe learn new techniques or something. Or everybody's brain works different. So when you can sit and have 19 different people use the same bundle and come up with 19 different cards. Now, with that being said, the swap that I'm in didn't require a certain bundle. Some of them do. It just depends on who you sign up with, or, but some, they did require new product and certain amount of layers. So you'll see that I add several different layers onto this card. I'm really excited. One of my cards is making it all the way to Australia, and I'm especially excited because, I would love to go there one day, but at least I know a little piece of me is there. Now I'm just finishing cutting out the leaves and the flower buds, and now this will be the bottom of this part of the sentiment. Now this is cut out of glimmer paper, and now I'm actually I didn't do it on camera, but I guess I am doing it. Okay, so this is an adhesive sheet. The piece that's going to layer on top of this is very delicate, and it's very hard to just glue it on. If you glued it on, you would have glue everywhere. So I'm layering this adhesive onto the back, and now I'm going to get that die, and it's going to cut out. And when it does, I run it back and forth a few times because like I said, it's very delicate. You want to make sure that it cuts really well. Now, when I layered my pieces, I wanted to do a really good job. I try to do a good job on everything that I do, but knowing that I'm sending this to other card makers, I wanted to make sure that it was, it looked really nice. So what I did was, you can see here, when I pull this out, then I got to take the adhesive sheet, peel it off. But the thing about this die is you got to worry about your little eye getting stuck. And I got lucky enough in all of these that it got stuck inside. If you can't get the adhesive backing off the eye, the dot of the eye, then just get some glue and just use your tool to hold it and dip it in the glue. I think I got pretty lucky with most of them. See, I was getting ready to use the glue, but here I'm just picking off the little piece, and I got lucky almost every single time. Not every time. And then I'm just layering this on top and pushing the eye, or the little dot for the eye out. Now you're seeing that I'm going to layer this up. Now, what you don't see on camera is this is double layered already. I've cut this out 2 times and glued it together. Now the third layer is going on top of that. And that's why I was saying I wanted to do a good job. I wanted it to be really thick and sturdy. And I think the more layers you put, it just makes it, I don't know, look better and thicker. It definitely costs more to mail it. So if you're a card maker, you're probably, I don't even buy stamps anymore. They're just the regular ones. They already know me at the post office to give me more postage for my cards, which is so funny because you can send a 5x7 card. They don't charge anything, but this is what they call non-machinable. They can't run it through a machine because it's too thick. So that's why. Same thing with the flowers and the leaves. It's three layers. Even though the first layer is embossed or stamped, I still have 2 plain layers behind that. And you'll see, well, if you ever receive a card or when you make your card with this bundle and you do that, you'll see how much better, and it just makes it stand out so much more. So now here I'm just cutting my card base down and scoring it. And you don't have to worry about any measurements because I have created a sheet with the measurements, and it'll be in the description below. You can also place an order for any of the supplies that you see in this video. If you don't already have a demonstrator, I would definitely love to have your business, and you can place an order with me directly from the link below. Now here, because this was one of the requirements for one of the swaps, that it had to have an inside layer, and you just do that because when you go to write your message, the card base is pink, so or it's sweet sorbet. That's one of our new in colors. I did all of my cards in the in color. That was, I think, one of the criteria was to do new product, and I think one I did was all in colors or something. But anyways, you put that down just so you can write your message. So here I'm making the little triangles to get ready to layer. Now on here, if you were making multiple cards, you could pretty much use this as a one sheet wonder. You're cutting this at 3, and then I think it was 3 3/4, and then 2.5 by 2.5. Anyways, you'll just have one little teeny piece off the bottom there. So that's pretty good. So you can make 2 cards with one sheet of 6x6 paper. I'm probably wrong on those measurements, but like I said, there'll be a measurement sheet below in the description. And for some of my friends and family that have signed up to support my channel and didn't even have a channel, in the description below, right under the video, it's going to say more, and you'll click on that, and there you'll see all my stuff. I just recently started my channel, and my friends and family don't even have YouTube channels, and they're trying to show love and support by subscribing, but a lot of them they've never done it before. They don't, I live on YouTube, all day long I'm on YouTube. My husband will watch TV, and I will be on my headphones and my computer watching YouTube craft videos and learning how to make stuff, and he's watching the basketball game. So that's my life. Here I'm just embossing the sentiment. I made a happy birthday card because I'm like, everybody sends out happy birthday cards. There was no requirement for this. You could send out, and in the stamp set there are so many different sentiments. There's the main word is sending, and you can sending smiles across the miles. I should have sent that to the person that is in Australia, but I didn't. I made them all the same. You can make it say sending all the good luck your way, sending sunshine to brighten your day. I should have sent that one to one of the ladies. She actually had her roof cave in, so I am sending her a card anyway. She backed out of this card swap, but I'm sending her a card anyway. She needs something just to brighten her day. It also says your sentiment could say love and big hugs, birthday wishes, which is what I chose, a note of thanks, a card to say hello, and comfort and strength. So here I'm just building up the card, and I tried to do something different. Like these ladies that make these cards are just, I don't know, they make them so neat. And some of them they make fold different ways, and I'm still learning how to do that. I'm typically not much of a card maker. I normally make 3D stuff, like stuff for birthday parties and like, you know, kids parties or even adults, banners, things like that is normally what I make for Mother's Day, which you'll see that video is coming up. I think maybe tomorrow I'll post it. I made a bouquet of flowers and like the urn and everything. I made it 3D from paper, and I think I'm going to post that tomorrow. But that's typically the stuff that I do, but I'm trying new things. I've been doing cards for a while, but I never put much effort into making them like I am now. See, that's the sending. Now, I will tell you, when you're making your card, I don't know why I did it this way. I don't know if it's because I knew I was filming myself and I was nervous, but line up your sending before you put your leaves on, because then it will lay flat where my D is sitting on top of the leaves. You want to put the leaves, you don't want that because that just creates more bulk. Now here I'm showing you, some of you are going to get your card with the flower going the other way. Again, I don't know anything about flowers, so I didn't know that it was supposed to go the way it is in this video. But a lot of you will get the card that's the other way. I don't know why I did it that way. It just seemed right to me. Now I'm just putting some gems on there to make it extra and to, you know, to make it cost more when you send it in the mail. Actually, it just makes it look cuter. All of us card makers call it the bling. And that's my card. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye-bye.